Welcome back to Growing Up America.
Okay guys, so this is a very cool video for me because today I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. But first, I'm going to teach a little bit of the history of this. So the inventor was I Rubik, but don't get tricked by this because most people spell the Rubik's Cube R-U-B-I-X. But don't get confused because at the end, it's actually KS. It's not X, so don't get confused. And he is from Hungary, and the design was actually made with magnets. So you can see, hopefully you can see here that in the present Rubik's Cube, it's not actually magnets. They're held together by these little pieces, and they're not magnets. You can see, I can't just pull them apart. And the Rubik's Cube, the one with the magnets, the first Rubik's Cube, was released in 1977, which is not that long ago, but it's pretty long ago. It's 55 years ago. But now the Rubik's Cube is very popular, so there's lots of competitions going on, and speed cubers are people who cube it in very fast time, so like they can just cube it in that time. In the time I can just only twist that, but they're very fast. The record is 3.7 seconds, and by 3.7 seconds I mean the person who set the world record of 3.7 seconds, he solved the whole cube in 3.7 seconds, which is pretty fast. And this is a cube, as you know. Cubes have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, each covered with 9 stickers. 9, 3, 3, 3 equals 9. And there's 8 corners, 4 here, 4 there. So there's 8 corners covered with 3 stickers, 1, 2, 3. And for you to able to solve it, each side or face, the face is used for more of a Rubik's Cube way. So some people say face. So each face needs to have the same color. So this has to be blue, this has to be orange, this has to be green, and so on. Okay, so for the Rubik's Cube, it's not only a cube, like there's different colors. There's different shapes. Like there's a pyramid, which is like a pyramid. They call it the pyramids because it's like a pyramid, and pyramids are triangles, so it's a triangle, which I actually want that next because I think it might be pretty hard. And there's also a mega mix, and there's a big one like 7x7, and they say that if you can solve the 7x7, you can solve any cube. So that'll be pretty cool. And there's cube, I think. I also want the cube, and the square one is actually very hard and very weird too. So I think that is my favorite, and I really want that. And now for the solving part. So guys, I'm really excited to solve it. But first, this is already solved, so now let me just dismantle it. And here you can see it's all dismantled. There's random colors. And now for the teaching bit. Okay, so the first step, I'll do it while I teach you. So the first step is to get all this green. So I'm just going to choose green for the demonstration. This side all has to be green, while these parts also have to be the same color. So I'll just choose this because it's done. Look at this, is orange and green. Orange and green. This has to be white and green. So I have to solve this one. And same thing with all the others. So red, green, yellow, green. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So you can pause this video if you're not done, because I'm just going to go ahead. So if you're not done, please pause this video. And if you're done now, you can see the next step. So this is all done. It's green, while this is yellow, red, white, orange. And now the next step is to get the corner pieces. So the blue blue cross is already made, but just for you guys have like a very less probability that you guys don't have a yellow cross. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mess it up so you guys can get this. Okay, so I have an L here, a backwards L. You can make it an L or a backwards L, and make sure it's a backwards L. And if you might have a dot or a line. So the first step is a dot. So if you have a dot, do this. So make this line go up, then make this go up. So one should have a full line, and the other should have just 2 greens. So make this go away. So make this over here and pull this part down, do this, do this. Okay, so now I have a line. So for you who have a dot, you guys might actually have an L now because the steps are actually dot, L, line, and then cross. So if you guys have an L now, just make a line with the same steps that I told you, and you guys can just catch up with me with the line. So the next step is getting the corners where they're supposed to be. You do this, you have to get this out of the way, turn this part up, and then this part that was correct, it's over here, then turn the other one up, and see it's back again, one line, put that down, and then it's back again, put that down again. Okay, so yeah, all the things are in their place. So this is where it is, the same colors, and this is already done for me. So the next step, don't get confused on this, because mostly I get confused on this one and I just got really frustrated. So if you get confused, just don't, okay? Because this is a really hard step and just everyone gets confused on this. So what you want to do is just you can just keep on doing this orientation until this blue thing is up on here. So you have to do this. It's as easy as that, and you have to do that until this blue, there's a blue one on here and the blue is over here, and I bet you're totally just like, the cube is just totally ruined. Like you can see the green and this, everything's ruined, but don't worry, it's going to be fine when we orient them. When I was learning, I just usually just turn the whole cube because the instructions said that the piece that you want to orient has to be on the top right, this in top right, so it has to be on the top right, so it can't be here when you orient this because you're just orienting this and the whole cube will be gone. So don't do this either. So it's on the top right now. Turn this part only there, and then now do the same steps. So down, right, left, up, there. And now this is there too, so it has to be there. This. Okay. So still it looks like it's messed up, but what did I say? Don't worry, okay? You're going to be very happy at the end. Okay, so now it's just this step left, this piece left to orient. So it was like that. Now turn the cube. Never get confused by this. Okay, so do that again. The same steps again. And if you had got it right, voila! The cube is made! But if you didn't get it right, you can just keep on repeating these steps. You can just mix it up and repeat these steps, because once you have a lot of practice, you will get it right. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and actually solved the Rubik's Cube. And in future, hopefully I will make another video of solving the pyramids, which is actually a pretty cool cube, and even cooler, this cube one, this cube, and the square one. So thank you for watching.
Bye.